Now, after hate speech at Haridwar Dharam Sansad, fresh communal rant was seen in Raipur's Dharam Sansad. Raipur Hindu Dharam Sansad came to an abrupt end after patron Ram Sundar stormed out of the venue. This comes after he objected to a seer who abused Mahatma Gandhi and hailed Nathuram Godse. The seer Kali Charan even abused Owaisi, called for a Hindu hardliner to be ruling India. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel also was to be attending that event, but he skipped it. A case has now been registered against Kali Charan Maharaj for his controversial remarks against Mahatma Gandhi. The Raipur Dharam Sansad is also being held just days after a similar event in Haridwar that was taken place, where attendees made communal speeches calling for Muslim genocide and pushing for a Hindu Rashtra. Religious leader Pramod Anand also stoked controversy at that event. He said that 1947 partition was based on religion and India will continue to be a Hindu Rashtra.
ऐसी संस्कृति वो मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी ने सत्यानाश पेल दिया। वो नाथुराम गोडसे जी को नमस्कार है, मार डाला।
मैं बहुत क्षमा चाहता हूं आप सबसे, आप लोग भले ही बुरा लगा हो। इस धर्म संस्था में अपने आप को अलग करता हूं, पृथक करता हूं। धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत क्षमा चाहता हूं आप सबसे, आप लोग भले ही बुरा लगा हो। इस धर्म संस्था में अपने आप को अलग करता हूं, पृथक करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
और FIR दर्ज करा रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये अपमान पूरे देश और विश्व का अपमान है। राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी के बारे में जिस ढंग से अब शब्दों का कहा है धर्म संसद में, तो कहीं ना कहीं पूरे देश के नागरिकों में रोष की भावना है। तो हम सब कांग्रेस जन आज सिविल लाइन पहुंचकर FIR दर्ज करवा रहे हैं।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार धर्मांतरण और सांप्रदायिकता का माहौल छत्तीसगढ़ में बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। अभी तक के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं के एक भी बयान नहीं आया है। गांधी जी राष्ट्रपिता के बारे में इतनी बड़ी बयान उसके द्वारा दिया गया है, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी मौन है।
ये धर्म के पालन के स्वरूप में देखा जा सकता है। ऐसे परिस्थिति में कुछ लोग ये रहते हैं जो इस बात को उग्रता की ओर ले जाके और समाज में फिर विखंडन की स्थिति को उत्पन्न करने का प्रयास करते हैं, स्वाभाविक अपने लिए जगह बनाने के लिए। तो लक्ष्य कुछ और रहता है और कुछ लोग ऐसे शुद्ध धार्मिक वातावरण को दूषित करने से पीछे नहीं रहते।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Hemendra joining us live for more. Hemendra, we know that just 2 days ago in Haridwar, the same Dharam Sansad, many of whom were at that event, in fact were at both events, made hate speeches publicly calling for Muslim genocide, ethnic cleansing. In fact, a complaint was registered with that regard as well. And now 2 days later, brazenly at a Raipur Dharam Sansad, you have seers making similar comments, abusing Mahatma Gandhi here, hailing Nathuram Godse. And now a similar complaint has been filed in Raipur as well. But so far, both the events, no arrests have been made.
Well, no arrest has been made as far as the Raipur incident is concerned. Kali Charan, the self-styled seer who abused the father of the nation from the stage, he is at large. He has been booked under section 294-5052, subsection 2, which attracts imprisonment of 5 years if found guilty and convicted. The police claim that they are on the lookout for him. They are looking for him, but he is still so far not traceable. His whereabouts are not known. The place where he was staying the previous night, police went there, but he was not found there. According to the organizers, he left the city immediately after the event and probably left for Akola. He has got 2 ashrams, one in Akola and one in Indore. So the police are looking out for him. But having said that, I must tell you that the permission for this event was given by the Chhattisgarh government. In fact, the Chief Minister of the state was to participate in this event. There were hoardings all across the venue of Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and other leaders. There was BJP leaders also who participated in this event. The former Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Raman Singh, he flagged off this event. He participated in the Kalash Yatra that was held at the beginning of the event. And the seers, the so-called seers, those who were present in Haridwar, many of them were present here in Raipur as well. And you mentioned about Prabodhanand, he made similar speeches in Raipur as well. He made that Myanmar comment in Raipur as well. He talked about that 1947 partition where he said that the Muslims were never asked to leave the country and it was a partition on religious lines, and now India was essentially a Hindu Rashtra. And the central theme of this Dharam Sansad was how to make India a Hindu Rashtra.
Right.
So all these things happened, but now politics is being played out. The Chief Minister is saying that the BJP is trying to fan communalism across the state, and it is because of the BJP that such incidents have happened. But the fact is that both the BJP and the Congress is trying to quote a certain section of our society, and for that they're even going to the extent of ignoring these
Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Now, we know that days after this provocative hate speech at Haridwar Dharam Sansad, no arrests have been made so far in both those cases. A mystery FIR was filed in the case, but sections that were invoked were mostly bailable charges. Here's all that you need to know that transpired.
A call to arms. Self-styled religious leaders take an oath to create Hindu Rashtra. Four days later, Uttarakhand police file an FIR. But the seers remain defiant. The spiritual leaders who gave speeches calling for violence against a community and at times even genocide at a 3-day Dharam Sansad in Haridwar between December 17th and 19th are refusing to budge. When India Today confronted these religious leaders, they claimed theirs was a call to self-defense.
हमने अपनी तरफ से कुछ नहीं कहा, हमने तो ये कहा हमारे सनातन धर्म, हमारे सनातन संस्कृति की परंपरा है कि हर देवी देवता पर अस्त्र है और अस्त्र की पूजा है तभी देवता की पूजा है। तो हर हिंदू को अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए शस्त्र लेकर खड़े रहना चाहिए।
सैकड़ों की संख्या महामंडलों से थे और साधु थे, सैकड़ों की संख्या में, हजारों की संख्या में लोग, जनता थे, सनातन धर्म के मानने वाले लोग थे जो धर्म के लिए कार्य करना चाहते हैं। चर्चा केवल आत्मरक्षा के लिए, धर्म रक्षा की चर्चा हो रही थी हमारे यहाँ।
What comes as a mystery is that police FIR on the event names only one person, Wasim Rizvi, alias Jitendra Tyagi, who recently converted from Islam to Hinduism. The sections invoked against him are bailable charges.
वहाँ पे उन्होंने आकर एक धर्म विशेष के खिलाफ इतनी आपत्तिजनक और भड़काऊ बयानबाजी की कि मैं आपको इसमें नहीं बता सकता। और उन्होंने यहाँ तक, प्रबोधानंद जी ने तो यहाँ तक कहा कि इनको म्यांमार की तर्ज पर यहाँ पे मुसलमानों का सफाया किया जाए और बहुत ज़्यादा भड़काने का उन्होंने प्रयास किया। इसलिए हमें सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से ज्ञात हुआ था।
Event organizer Yati Narsinhanand Giri, who has been caught in hate speech controversies earlier, is not booked.
धर्म और धर्म पे जो सनातन धर्म पे खतरे हैं उन पे चर्चा हो रही थी और सनातन धर्म का सबसे बड़ा खतरा है इस्लाम का जिहाद, और केवल हमारा खतरा नहीं है, पूरी दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा खतरा है। हम उस पर चर्चा करें तो और आगे भी करेंगे।
BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay, who attended the meet, has distanced himself from the event.
हमने वहां जाके केवल इतना कहा था कि ये 20% संविधान बचा हुआ है, इसको लागू करना नितांत आवश्यक है। अब हिंदी का संविधान बांटना अगर अपराध है तब तो मैं अपराधी हूं, अगर संविधान के बारे में बताना अपराध है फिर तो मैं अपराधी हूं।
Days after the hate rant, no arrests have still been made.
जो हमारे पास कंप्लेंट आई है उसमें उसको जो कंप्लेंट करता है उसको हो सकता है औरों के नाम नहीं मालूम हो। हमारी विवेचना में सभी शामिल हैं, सबसे बात की जाएगी, सबके बयान लिए जाएंगे, हर कोई हमारी विवेचना में शामिल है।
Despite the massive uproar against poisonous hate speeches given during the event, shockingly, political parties of all shades have been muted in their criticism of hate speech. Only a few leaders have posted tweets condemning the calls for violence made by the seers. Over 70 advocates of the Supreme Court have now returned to Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramanna, asking the Supreme Court to take suo motu cognizance of the calls for ethnic cleansing, and said the speech poses a grave threat not just to the unity and integrity of our country, but also endangers the lives of millions of Muslim citizens. Bureau Report, India Today.